Alright, today we're going to work on the AMMCO brake lathe. At this time, we've already put the rotor on, we've chucked it, put our clutch, spacer, and secured it to the machine. Now we'll get ready to do our scratch cut. Alright, this time I'm going to perform a scratch cut on the rotor. Turn the machine on, and I'm going to bring in my cutting tip. Alright, I'll set the machine to 0. Alright, set it to 0. Alright, we've done our scratch cut, and now it'd be time that we would turn the complete rotor. Alright, at this time we're going to be going over the ProCut brake lathe. It's an on-vehicle brake lathe. We've identified the correct adapter and secured it to the vehicle at this time. We've attached the machine, and then right now we're going to set the machine up to operate. Alright, this time we're going to turn the machine on, and we're going to calibrate it and set it up and get it ready to operate. We hit the reset button and the start button. Now it's running through the setup and making necessary adjustments. Alright, this time we're going to do a scratch cut on the rotor. We're going to bring the cutting edges in just enough till they start cutting the rotor. Alright, now we're going to pull this out and 0 it. We're going to use backside. Once you make contact, start to scratch. We'll set to 0. Lock it down, and then you'd be ready to turn the rotor.